The month of Teves, according to the Zohar, is one of the 3 harsh months of the year. In the language of the Zohar, the month of Teves is connected with the energy of Esau, which we'll get to in a moment. The sense, according to the Sefer Yetzirah, that's connected with the month of Teves, is the sense of anger. Now, the sense of anger doesn't mean the negativity of anger, but it means the sensation of anger. In every situation, when a person becomes angry, there are 2 things in play. There's the narrative of the anger. This person did something to me, and therefore I feel this anger. And then there's the actual sensation of the anger, how I'm feeling, which is a certain reaction in my body. The sensation itself is not negative. It's just a strong physical sensation in the body. And a lot of times it's actually positive because it makes you do something. Sometimes positive, sometimes negative. But it can also make you do something positive. You can have a holy anger. How could this person do this injustice? So the sensation that's connected with the month, the sense that's connected with the month of Teves is the sensation of anger, which is a very strong bodily experience. Kabbalistically, what this means is that following the month of Kislev is like the end of the month, we finally find a little hope. There's a little light. There's the Hanukkah candles, a glimmer of light. We start moving away from being so insular and isolated. We said the winter months come about and we start going inward and become directed inward. We separate from others. The month of Teves is the beginning of the month that we start actually relating to other people. And Kabbalistically, it's a good month to seek physical intimacy with another being. And literally the month of Teves means that in Hebrew, Tov Bas, that idea of connecting with other people on a physical level. But the tikkun of that is not to possess other people, because sometimes we look in terms of relationship and we want to have a relationship with somebody, so we end up just wanting that other person for our own purposes, and then we want to possess them. But the purpose is, the tikkun of that would be to learn to have a relationship with other people on a physical level, but not to possess them, but to allow their space. Not just to give, but also to hear them, to be in a true relationship with the other. And if we can relate to that idea, then we can transform the negativity of the month, which is that strong sense of body, which represents the Esav consciousness, the bodily consciousness, which could be, it's neutral, it could be good or negative, positive or negative, and to use that in a positive direction. So what it translates in simple language is that if we seek relationships with others and we have connected with other things, with other people, we should have healthy relationships in terms of sharing and not just receiving.